Well, today I'm gonna start on a project I've been wanting to do for a while. And first step is take down this wall tent. We're not gonna use it anymore. So I gotta take it down, clean it up, and then we'll have a nice open area to build our new outdoor kitchen. So I'll get started on it. We got all the garbage out of the inside pretty much. So I'm gonna take away this little wall there, and then take all the what do you call them, sticks off the side. And then once I remove this stick right there, the whole thing should collapse. So I'm gonna try to get as much weight off the roof as possible and get all the sticks off so it's not like a big mess when it comes down. So I tore down the wall tent, and it's quite open here now. I think we'll have enough space for our outdoor kitchen. We'll have a picnic table or dining table right there. Probably put a wood stove right there in the back, and then maybe the cooking area there or the cooking area on that side. And we'll basically use trees like this one, about that thickness, dig a hole and then peel the bottom of the tree and burn it, or till it's like black, and then maybe paint it with used motor oil on the bottom. That way it'll stay preserved, and then stick it in the hole, fill the hole in with the log, and do that there, and here. and 3 on that side, and then, you know, basically exactly how we did this porch on the bunkhouse here. Just notch out the logs, set them on. If you guys haven't seen the wall tent construction and overnighter video, there is one. I'll probably try to put a link in the description, but I don't really know how to do that yet, so I'll see if I can figure it out. If not, just go onto my channel and you should find it pretty quick. Thanks for watching. Bye.